understand what is career? A person's course or progress through life. ना आप लोग अभी 10th स्टैंडर्ड में है, यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर स्कूल है, नाउ आप लोग कॉलेज में जाएंगे, फिर डिग्री कॉलेज में जाएंगे, उसके बाद में यू मे सम ऑफ यू मे ऑप्ट फॉर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन और मे बी हायर एजुकेशन, सम ऑफ यू माइट ऑप्ट फॉर सम जॉब. तो ये जो पाथ आप फॉलो कर रहे, taking different kinds of education, adapting different skills, taking different types of jobs, and that is other family members. You might be knowing that people mostly know their identity based on the career. तो आपके सोसाइटी में आपके बाजू में भी कोई रहता होगा तो मे बी आप कभी उसका नाम भूल जाएंगे, लेकिन अगर वो समझो डॉक्टर है तो आप भूलेंगे नहीं कि उसका प्रोफेशन डॉक्टर है. तो रिमेंबर ये करियर का इम्पैक्ट हर एक के लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा एक्सटेंड तक इम्पैक्ट होता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. स्टूडेंट्स करियर हैव द इम्पैक्ट, कहाँ इम्पैक्ट होता है उसके खुद के पर्सनल लाइफ में तो होता ही है, उसके रिलेशनशिप पे, जैसे उसके घर वाले हैं, फादर मदर या उसके सिबलिंग्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, फैमिलीज पे, सराउंडिंग्स, सोशल स्टेटस. आप जानते हो कि जो लोग करियर, जिनका सक्सेसफुल करियर होता है, उनको सोसाइटी में डेफिनेटली बहुत ज्यादा ऑनर होता है, बहुत ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट होता है. सो ऑल डिफरेंट एरियाज ऑफ वंस लाइफ आर इम्पैक्टेड बाय his or her career. So that's the reason we are it is important for us to take it serious. Now you might be knowing some of the most famous personalities in India have put on the screen. There are so many, but out of that, only very few I could bring on the slide. But just see, aren't they successful? Aren't they famous? And they are famous because of their careers. So remember, students, these all people have given a thought for their career at an early age. They planned for their career, and then they started working on that, and this is what has made them successful. This is what has made them famous. So in all of you, I can see the famous personalities of tomorrow. I can see a lot of famous personalities of tomorrow in you, and that's the reason we need to start working on this very important issue from today itself. I can say that many of you might have started working as well. This is for those who have not started. So why select a career? So why selecting a career is important? This might be a question some of you might face. So let me tell you, we all have been created uniquely. Everyone knows that we are not alike like our parents as well. We are completely unique. We are born only once. There are more than 9,000 career options available in the world. So vast pool of options. We spend almost 40 years on our work. Now, this is a bit surprising because generally we don't calculate the number of years we are working. And on base planning will start. Career planning consists of activities and actions that you can take to achieve an individual career goals. So whatever goals you must have decided, because previous webinar we have discussed about goals. So if you have decided your goals, to take the steps, to plan out the steps to reaching that goals is nothing but career planning, according to me. So that includes your studies, your job, or businesses, whatever you are going to do in your life throughout. That is your career. Now, once you decide, that doesn't end this process. This process is lifelong. Because suppose, as I gave you example, your goal presently is to become a topmost doctor of Mumbai. So, becoming that doesn't end. उसके बाद में आप आगे और आपके लिए life goals आप रख सकते हो. So, this process is not a one-time process. It's a continuous process, and every now and then you can make changes. You can add few things. You can upgrade few things. So this is an ongoing process for you. Why career planning? See, student, yes, like you can understand the reality of current generation, the new generation student. Most of them, how they think, you can get from this. I'm saying most of you, not all. So never plan for future. There are students who doesn't think about future. They are busy, whatever right now time is giving, circumstances of showing them, people are busy in those work. So people don't plan for the future. They follow the crowd, a kind of herd mentality, we can say. What my friend is going to do, what most of them are going to opt for. Okay, science, if you take, they are my, like your father might say that you have got a good percentage. Now my friend's daughter has done science and she has become a good doctor. Now you also have to do the same. So such kind of mentality, we can say it's a herd mentality, because someone else has done the same path. It doesn't mean that will suit for it may not always, but it may. So that's why we are not a herd to have a herd mentality. We are going to select our own path. Choose by influence of others. Influence, it may be your friends, it may be your relatives, or it may be media, or any other sources, and we under some influence we take our decision. Then accept the parents' verdict by force. Sometimes parents will force you. Like, well, I'll give an example. One of my students in the earlier years, he had scored really good marks. I think about 85% he has scored. And when the results were out, his father, while he was coming the same day from office, he bought science textbooks for him. He purchased the textbooks and bought the same day without informing him. And this is, now you got a good person, you have to take science. And that poor child has already decided that I have to do commerce. And but he didn't went before his father's verdict. He definitely explained them. He persuaded. He made convinced them about his decision, and he took admission in commerce. So this is what we are supposed to do, students. Get tempted by current trend. What most of the people are doing. Again, this comes under herd mentality. Jump into any career. Many people are ignorant. They just don't think. They wait for the things to happen, for the results to come out, and then they suddenly start doing some action. And while they are taking some action, most of the time they take wrong decisions. Fail to discover their lives. So now, students, as this lockdown has given you ample of time, you can discover, you can find out few things about yourself which never before you have found out. You have to discover it. Then live a fantasy like they are in their dreams. They are, I want to become a singer, I want to become so and so, and they failed to take action about that. So you are not supposed to, you can dream, but you cannot stay in fantasy. You cannot be ignorant. You have to be aware, you have to be alert what things are happening and what you are supposed to do. So this is the approach of current students, most of them, and that's the reason career planning is an important step for all of us. So before we start with the steps of career planning, we can go through this beautiful quote that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a small step. So this small step, I am going to point out today itself to you. What are these small steps you are supposed to take? And if you really think these are the worth steps given by me, then definitely you can take this small step today itself. So, steps of career planning: self assessment, explore career options, choose the best options out of that, and take action. Now, students, self assessment, that is, discover yourself. Many people or many students might get kind of confused. What is to discover? We know everything about ourselves. What is to discover? But my dear students, let me tell you that we have spent many years in a lot of ignorance. We just believe what the world is telling to us. We just believe blindly what others are telling to us. but we are failing in reality to discover ourselves. What is the meaning of discovering your own self? To finding out what are your real hobbies, what are your real interests. You can take the help of your parents. They are your support system. Your siblings, if you have some elder sister, elder brother, you can take the help. You can discuss with them. You can discuss about the attitude, interest, find out. You can find out by discussing few things with your near and dear ones. You can even talk to your friends who are sensible. So they will definitely point out few things which will which will be very helpful for you people to understand about yourself, your interests, your values, your skills, your needs, your personal something about your personality, attitude. Anyway, today I am going to show you few things for definitely. The previous webinar I had told you about the values and everything, but today we are going to talk about different aspects. But I would like to today itself you spend some time with yourself and find out. You discuss with your support system. Your support system is your parents, your siblings, your friends. You can discuss with them and find out more about it. I want. This is a very important step. See, most of the people fail to spend time in this very important, or they completely ignore such kind of steps. And there's a very good quote here: to know yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. So, to discover ourselves, we must ask some questions. We must ask some questions. And students, you will be surprised that most of us, while inquiring to ourselves, we ask some wrong questions. What are these wrong questions? What jobs are in demand? What are the most high paying jobs? What jobs can I do abroad? What jobs have the shortest hours? Which career can get me promoted faster? Which jobs will give me a lot of money? Which jobs require minimal effort for high salary? Now, these questions are technically wrong questions. Asking these questions, you cannot discover yourself. You cannot find out the career which will be highly suited for you people. So there is a quote again that if you are going to ask wrong questions, you are not going to get correct answers. So I say, if you want to discover yourself, keep on asking questions. And what are these questions? See, asking question is an art. Asking question is an art. आप लोग इमेजिन करो, हम जब लेक्चर्स ले रहे थे या स्कूल में लेक्चर बैठते थे, हाउ मेनी पीपल यूज्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस? तो जब आप याद करो कौन क्वेश्चन ज्यादा पूछता था, आपको हार्डली है ना 3 से ज्यादा नाम याद नहीं आएंगे. So asking question is an art, and everyone has to ask questions to find out more and more about the unknowns, about the new information, and the information which will help you grow. So again यहाँ पे एक quote है French philosopher से Voltaire: judge a man by his questions rather than by his answers. A person is intelligent है कि नहीं है, उसका क्या कैलिबर है, ये कैसे फाइंड आउट करूं? तो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो उसको व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन ही आस्क्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आंसर दे रहा है वो नहीं देखिए, what kind of questions they are asking, we should pay attention. Okay, someone is asking to display the previous slide. Yes, wrong answers का slide क्यों चाहिए आप लोग? सही आंसर्स का क्वेश्चंस का स्लाइड ले लो. Yes. So asking questions, students, remember this is a very important habit for all you people, not only today, when you start your college journey, when you go in a professional study, when you start working, when you do your business. Like Sahil is saying that I want to do my own business. Yes, Sahil, आपको जो पसंद है आप कर सकते हो definitely, but this kind of quality आपको हमेशा बाकी लोगों से अलग रखेगी. It will keep you ahead of others. So keep on asking related questions. Okay, so questions कैसे होने चाहिए? क्वेश्चंस ऐसा होना चाहिए। ये स्लाइड शेरे मानो ये स्लाइड इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए। क्वेश्चंस खुद के डिस्कवरी के लिए कैसे होना चाहिए? व्हाट एम आई पैशनेट अबाउट? व्हाट डू आई ड्रीम ऑफ डूइंग? व्हाट डू आई रियली वांट टू डू? What are three careers that interest me? What are the three colleges, college majors, यानी college degrees, major is any degree that I want to explore. तो students ये questions आपको आज अपने आप को पूछना है और इसके आंसर्स को फाइंड आउट करना है. So this will be a part of your self discovery, self assessment. So इसका आप नोट डाउन करो या ऐसा स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. Important, according to me, one of the important slide for you people. Take the screenshot, please. My audio is fine, students. Neha, good question. Not necessarily. This is for those who have not yet decided anything. If you have already decided, you can definitely start with focus on the only career. But still, there is some time. I would like if you can start from beginning. It will give you a lot of dimensions. It will definitely give you more ideas. So I would request you to at least uh, if it is finalized, then it's fine. Okay, no problem. If it is finalized, you can go with along whatever you have decided. Next set of questions, students. What do I like doing? What are activities I don't like? What are my interests? What values are important to me? Like values हमने last discussion किया था हमने. What are my talents? What am I good at doing? तो ये रियली सभी आपके इंटरेस्ट और हॉबीज से रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चंस है जनरली एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू डिफाइन यू. रिमेंबर ये हम सिंपल येट वापस वापस हम अलग अलग तरीके से वही क्वेश्चंस क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? दैट विल ब्रिंग आउट समथिंग स्पेशल, द वन टैलेंट विच इज गोइंग टू टेक यू प्लेसेस. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा सेल्फ इंक्वायरी में टाइम स्पेंड करो स्टूडेंट्स. एंड समर अगर आपको अलग कुछ करना है तो अगेन उसके लिए पूरा प्रोसेस फॉलो करो कि ये रियली आपका पैशन अलग है और आपको कुछ अलग करना है. तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपने जो अभी डिसाइड किया है इज इट मैचिंग विथ योर इंटरेस्ट. बिकॉज बहुत स्टूडेंट्स का ऐसे होता है कि मेरे पास बहुत एग्जांपल है बेटा जिन्होंने 10th में मेहनत किया, 12th में मेहनत किया, इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन लिया, इंजीनियरिंग में बहुत एक्सट्रीमली अच्छा किया और फिर उसके बाद में 2 साल जॉब करते हुए छोड़ दिया एंड दे वेंट ऑन टू डू समथिंग एल्स because they decided they realized that that was not the cup of tea. So what I say then if you from beginning if you are going to select the right career then you will do wonders in that field and that's the reason please think about any decision you are going to make. So I'll be personally helping you students. आज ही आपको बहुत सारे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस मुझे पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. व्हाट्सएप के जरिए आप कल मुझे डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं पर्सनल लेवल पे. अभी आप रिलेटेड टू स्लाइड ही पूछो आप. ओके, बिकॉज फिर हमारा फोकस हट जाएगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद फाइंडिंग आउट हु यू आर. तो अभी हम आप कौन है इसके आगे का स्लाइड्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट्स. वी these will help you find out about yourself. आपको questions inquiry आप खुद के लेवल पे आज शाम को कर सकते हैं. 10-12 questions हैं, definitely you can try to find out answers for those questions. But this is something new for you people. There's a quote: if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. A beautiful quote. If you're not going to plan, that means you are planning to fail. This is the importance of planning, students. टेस्ट, ये टेस्ट आज हम आप सभी का ये टेस्ट करने वाले हैं स्टूडेंट्स. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दिस टेस्ट? Brendan, I think you have put one query. So remember students, at the end I will tell you exactly what we are going to do. Okay, so hold your आपके जो भी doubts है ना उसको parking में रखो. What I'll say, what I'll request Brendan, you just park that doubt आप अपने डाउट जो है वो माइंड के कॉर्नर में रख दो. We'll come back to the your doubts, and I'll bring clarity to what exactly you have to do. Okay. So right now you don't distract yourself from the session. These slides are very important. So just focus on what is coming to you now. Okay. Rather, देखो आपके डाउट जो भी रहेंगे ना, at the end I'll be helping out. I'll be giving out you the solutions about the same. Right now, what I would request you all people to focus what is coming to you. Okay. Sure. So this test will help you to understand about ourselves. It is going to help you. Each one, हर कोई अपना अपने बारे में ये टेस्ट हम हर एक के बारे में करने वाला है. हर एक के लिए हम लोग एक कंक्लूजन पे आएंगे कि what we are. So this is commonly used test to find out, to determine career interests. What are your interests? Okay. So that REASECT means R is for real